Transform your vaping experience into a happy one with the SMOK Morph 219 kit. The Morph 219 kit has a ton of features so you can fully customize your vaping experience. Want to see a full breakdown of all those features or just want to get this gear in your hands? Bounce on over to VapeWild by checking the link in the top right corner. The SMOK Morph 219 kit has a lot going for it, and I'll just say from the outset that it's pretty awesome. As always, let's start with the mod. The Morph 219 mod looks awesome with its gorgeous resin panel on one side and an ultra-intuitive 1.9-inch touchscreen on the other. The touchscreen is super responsive and is the window to all the cool features the Morph has under the hood. First, you're able to adjust the typical modes such as power, bypass, and so on. What's really cool is the ability to make your own profile using the My Mode feature. This allows you to have 4 different presets you can create to suit different styles of vaping. In this, you can set the nick strength, wattage, heating mode, and the name so you know which preset does what. And dig this, while this mod does have the normal lock mode to keep you from accidentally pressing your screen, it also has a passcode lock on the mod. Yes, this mod has a passcode lock. Next thing you know, you'll be able to stream video on mods and I'll never need a cell phone again. There are a lot of other cool features too, so I totally encourage you to check the website for the full skinny. Now about the tank. The Morph 219 kit comes with a TF tank. It has a large 6ml capacity, swivel to open top fill, and dual slotted adjustable airflow for big clouds. The coils it comes with are the TF Tank BF mesh coils with a rating of 0.25 ohm and a range of 30 to 80 watts. How does it vape? Deliciously. These coils provide an ultra smooth, flavorful, and warm vape. I would definitely vape again. Is this kit worth the coinage? Yes, you'll have a blast trying out all the features and you can get it right now at VapeWild. Like, this thing is really, really cool. Oh, and did I mention you can change the color of the screen? I changed mine to purple because purple's the best color and that's just the truth and you have to deal with it because I said so and I'm Batu and I'm just right. Get one for yourself.